Hey there, I'm RT, and welcome to Vila Industries. Today, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to start welding with electrodes. We'll cover electrode types, machine setup, welding angles, movements, and key safety tips. You'll also see real examples and tricks to avoid common mistakes. Let's dive in. Types of electrodes and common uses. There are three common electrode diameters. 3 millimeters, best for thin sheet metal or maintenance jobs. 4 millimeters, ideal for medium thickness parts and general repairs. 5 millimeters, perfect for heavy-duty welding and structural work. Here's a quick amperage reference chart. 3 millimeters, 90 to 120 amps. 4 millimeters, 130 to 160 amps. 5 millimeters, 170 to 220 amps. The thicker the electrode, the deeper the penetration. So choose depending on your material thickness and project type. Machine setup, AC/DC basics. Now, let's set up the machine. Set your amperage based on electrode size. For most electrodes, use DC plus polarity. It gives deeper penetration. If you have a hot start or arc force option, use them. They make striking and maintaining the arc easier. And yes, you can also weld with AC. Welding angles. Based on position, welding angle matters a lot. Flat, horizontal, tilt your electrode 20 to 30 degrees backwards. Horizontal, keep the same tilt and control gravity. Vertical up, use a zigzag motion, move upward slowly. Vertical down, fast. When you're welding with a stick electrode, the way you move the tip is key to getting a solid, clean bead. Let me show you the main types of movements and when to use them. Green square straight bead. Just drag the electrode in a straight line at a steady speed. It's quick and clean, great for thin plates. Repeat button arc or semicircular movement. You create small half-moon motions. This gives better fusion and distributes the weld metal more evenly. Heavy large circles, circular motion. Use tight, consistent circles with the electrode. It helps the weld penetrate deeper and results in a smooth, even bead. Up-down arrow zigzag. Move side to side in a broken line. It's ideal for filling wider joints or welding in vertical positions. Right arrow curving left forward backward motion. Push the electrode slightly forward, then pull it slightly back in a repeating motion. This helps melt more base metal and strengthens the bead. Curly loop figure, 8 motion, perfect for thick joints or filling gaps. It allows you to deposit more metal and control the heat better. Weld two pieces together without tacking them first. What usually happens is that by the time we finish the weld, the high heat causes the metal to contract. This often makes the ends of the pieces lift up slightly, forming a kind of bow or belly shape, which is definitely not what we want. To avoid this, it's common practice to add a few tack welds on the opposite side of where we're going to run our main bead. These tacks help hold everything in place and stop the metal from warping or pulling apart due to heat. So, by adding some tack welds before starting the full weld, we can keep the pieces aligned and avoid distortion caused by temperature changes. Common welding defects. Here are some common issues and how to avoid them. Porosity or holes, caused by too much amperage or moving too slow. Uneven bead, usually too fast or not enough heat. Splatters, wrong arc distance or dirty electrode. Fix it with proper cleaning, better angle control, and correct amperage. And that's it for today. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe to Vila Industries. Drop a comment if you want more tutorials like this. I'm RT. See you in the next one.